the strangest and most mysterious sea creatures that you must be extremely lucky to see. Hello everyone, this universe here. When we think of the underwater world, images of strange and mysterious creatures often evoke admiration. The ocean is not only home to millions of diverse species but also holds undiscovered secrets. There are incredibly unique and rare creatures in the sea that can only be witnessed with luck. From fish with bizarre shapes to ancient deep-sea creatures, from peculiar jellyfish to strange whales. The ocean brings endless wonder and mystery. Let's explore together the 13 strangest and most mysterious sea creatures that you must be extremely lucky to see. We'll journey from the deep seas to tropical beaches, discovering the mysteries waiting to be uncovered in the vast ocean in today's video. Strange sea creature with a human-like mouth. Grill Lambert, an Australian man who loves adventure and exploration, often jogs on Bondi Beach in Sydney. However, one cool morning, he unexpectedly encountered a strange sight on the beach. But skinned like a shark. The appearance of this creature surprised and intrigued many people. On social media, netizens began proposing various theories about the origin and nature of this creature. Some suggested it might be an alien animal, while others suspected it could be a newly discovered shark species. However, Letiti Hannah, a supervisor at Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, clarified the mystery surrounding this creature. According to Hannah, it wasn't a strange creature from space or a new shark species at all, but actually a coffin ray, also known as the Australian numbfish. The creature's bloated appearance was due to natural decomposition, causing its body to fill with gas. Coffin ray belongs to the genus Hypnos and family Hypnidae, and this is an endemic animal, found only in the coastal waters of Australia. This discovery once again highlights the diversity and wonder of the marine animal world along the coast. This isn't the first time a strange creature has appeared on Australian shores. Previously, another person, Alex Tan, also discovered a similar creature on a different beach, attracting significant attention on social media and sparking discussions about the diversity of the marine ecosystem in these waters. Atollid jellyfish. Atollid jellyfish, a special species of jellyfish, typically lives deep on the ocean floor, sometimes at depths up to 700 meters, in dark environments where sunlight cannot penetrate. But atollid jellyfish developed a special ability, which is bioluminescence. However, interestingly, they don't use this light for hunting like many other creatures. Instead, the light of the atollid jellyfish has a different main purpose. They use it to evade predators. When an atollid jellyfish feels threatened, it flashes continuously, creating a series of sparkling light bursts like flashing lights. This effect not only attracts the attention of larger fish but also makes predators feel frightened and lose decisiveness. The flashing light creates a sense of unease and ambiguity, making it difficult for predators to see the atollid jellyfish, helping them have a chance to escape. Particularly, besides using light for self-defense, atollid jellyfish also has a unique approach to hunting. They use tentacles to catch prey. When attacking a potential prey, the atollid jellyfish uses its flexible and powerful tentacles to capture it. Next, it crashes the prey back and forth until it loses the strength to resist. Then, the atollid jellyfish enjoys its small feast. It can be said that atollid jellyfish is not only part of the mysterious deep-sea ecosystem, but also an example of how nature has developed unique strategies to survive and adapt in the harsh ocean environment, my friends. Gorgonian wrapper sea anemone. Gorgonian wrapper, one of the most unique types of sea anemones, is an icon of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. With proficient hunting instincts, they are the fear of other marine creatures due to their brutality. Their brutality is demonstrated through venomous strikes from nematocysts, causing opponents to fall into pain and end their lives in the blink of an eye. Particularly, Gorgonian wrapper is not only a skilled predator but also an artist in conducting the chase. With sharpness and flexibility, they can catch prey efficiently and accurately. The sophistication in their movement and approach to targets makes them unexpected controllers of the ocean. Additionally, another special thing about Gorgonian wrapper is the speed of their venomous strike. In an incredibly short time, only about 700 nanoseconds, they can take down prey. This makes them one of the fastest and most dangerous creatures in the marine ecosystem. The wonders of the body and how they function have captured the attention of scientists and nature lovers worldwide. In a biologically diverse marine region like the Indo-Pacific, the Gorgonian wrapper is not only part of the food chain but also a symbol of strength and the spirit of life. Their presence is evidence of the grandeur and diversity of life in the ocean. And if you get to see them with your own eyes, you must be extremely lucky indeed. Lionfish, the most fearsome fish on the planet. Lionfish, also known as lionfish, are one of the most unique and terrifying fish species on this planet. With about 10 species mainly distributed in the Indian and South Pacific Oceans, lionfish symbolize biodiversity and the wild beauty of the ocean. One of the most notable features of lionfish is their captivating and dangerous appearance. Despite their small size, they are powerful enough to make larger fish cautious. Alternating white stripes with reddish-brown or brown create the wild and alluring beauty of this fish. An adult lionfish can reach up to 43 centimeters in length, while juveniles may only be 2.5 centimeters long. Notably, lionfish have large venomous spines that protrude from their bodies like a lion's mane, which is their primary defense weapon. However, the external beauty of lionfish hides their inner brutality, as they are not only skilled predators but also cannibalistic, even being formidable opponents to their own kind. When food is scarce, lionfish do not hesitate to attack and eat other individuals of their species. This demonstrates the cruelty and diversity in the survival strategies of this fish, making it a peculiar and impressive creature in the silent ocean depths, isn't it? Siphonophore, the longest creature in the world. Siphonophore, also known as a coral colony, is one of the most unique and bizarre creatures nature has created. Although they resemble jellyfish in shape, they actually belong to the coral animal group. With an incredibly impressive size, siphonophores are known to reach lengths of 50 to 60 meters, making them one of the longest creatures known to humans. However, what makes siphonophores special is not just their enormous size but also their unique body organization. A siphonophore is not just a single organism but actually a colony of smaller individuals called squids, working together to sustain the life and functions of the entire colony. Each squid takes on a specific role such as defense, reproduction, or feeding, and they must coordinate to ensure the survival of the whole colony. The complexity in the body organization of siphonophores is not only a marvel of nature but also holds significant scientific value. And because they lie at the boundary between a single-celled organism and a complex multicellular one, siphonophores can provide important insights into the evolution and development of marine ecosystems. Thus, studying them can help us better understand the diversity and complexity of ocean life. While offering deep insights into the evolution of deep-sea marine species, one of the creatures few have ever seen with their own eyes. Wonderpus photogenicus, the carnivore. Wonderpus photogenicus, also known as the Wonderpus octopus, is one of the rare and special species for marine researchers. Often found off the coast of the Philippines, this octopus attracts attention not only for its beauty but also for its hunting and defense methods. Wonderpus photogenicus typically becomes active at dusk when light fades and the underwater environment becomes tranquil. This is when they begin to hunt, taking advantage of the darkness to carry out their predatory activities. When needing to hide, the wonderpus can blend into the sand and coral, creating contrast and making them hard to detect. However, when feeling threatened or needing to attack, they display a special trick by suddenly changing their body color. They can transform into a fiery red, creating an effect like an underwater flame burst. This not only astonishes observers but also serves as a strong warning to other predators while helping them scare off their prey. The flexibility of the defense and hunting tactics of the Lundergus octopus is evidence of nature's sophistication and creativity in evolution. The uniqueness of this species has attracted the interest of scientists and ocean enthusiasts worldwide, while opening opportunities to delve deeper into the diversity and complexity of ocean life. Recently, a rare event occurred when a mysterious purple creature appeared on a beach at Beyond Bay, New South Wales, Australia. Capturing the attention of the public and scientists, this creature with a dome-shaped body and vibrant purple color is believed to be a crown jellyfish, one of a large and special jellyfish species with numerous, shared on social media by Jody Cloyce. A photo of this strange creature sparked much debate and interest. Some praised the beauty of this rare creature, while others expressed concerns about its potential danger. Jody Brasser, one of the commenters, pointed out that the creature's purple color might be a result of marine biodiversity. However, some worried that the purple hue could be due to chemicals dumped into the sea. According to Julian Orgo-Alamino, a plankton researcher at the Australian Chemical and Technology Research Organisation, this creature might belong to the crown jellyfish species or the Supla jellyfish. However, to be certain, direct examination would be necessary. It is known that crown jellyfish are typically large, with a bell diameter of about 50 to 60 centimeters, resembling a crown in shape and having many stinging tentacles. They are not dangerous to humans and usually feed on plankton, squid, shrimp, and non-living animal eggs. Yet, regardless of what this creature actually is and which species it belongs to, it is undoubtedly a rare event for such a jellyfish to wash ashore, isn't it? A sea creature with an extremely bizarre and frightening shape in the U.S. A fisherman near Leo Carrillo Beach in California, USA, had an astonishing experience when he discovered a sea creature with an extremely bizarre and frightening shape. This creature weighed over 3 kilograms and was about 15 centimeters long, with a grayish-white body and no eyes or mouth. The most notably peculiar feature on its body was 2 large, swollen gray lumps. Its appearance has sparked curiosity and concern among many people about this creature. Some netizens speculated that it might be a part of a larger fish. So a researcher said, it's most likely a species of sea lily. Sea lilies are organisms commonly found in the western coastal waters of the United States and northern Mexico. But the long-standing sea lily, which can weigh up to 7 kilograms and grow up to 75 centimeters long, is one of the largest sea lily species in the world. As surprising is the appearance of a sea lily near the California coast, where they dawn. It seems the creature had died long before washing ashore, as there were no signs of life activities on its body. The appearance of this creature sparked curiosity and surprise in the community, while opening up many new questions and research about sea lilies and ocean biodiversity. A mysterious event occurred when some soldiers passed by the coast in Sakhalin, Russia, and accidentally discovered the skeleton of a strange sea monster. This sea monster was described as about 6 meters long, with sharp teeth and fur reminiscent of a prehistoric creature or a horror movie monster. Initially, scientists thought this might just be the skeleton of a large beluga whale. However, after preliminary tests on the bones and teeth of this sea monster, they realized it wasn't a fish at all. Notably, this isn't the first time a strange creature has appeared on the coast, causing curiosity and suspicion. In 2013, residents of Villarico, Spain also discovered a similarly strange-looking creature. However, the body of this creature was later buried for safety reasons. S bones these are hasn't. But regardless, the appearance of these strange monsters has caused much controversy and suspicion in the community, while raising many questions about ocean biodiversity and the possibility of unknown species existing. And scientists will continue researching to find answers to these mysteries and clarify the origins of these strange creatures on the coast. The walking fish, a very special creature. In the coastal area of Santos City, São Paulo State, Brazil, Scientists discovered a strange creature, shaped like a fish but with frog-like legs, sparking many people's curiosity. This creature was identified as a mutated long-nosed batfish, Oncocephalus corniger. It has two fins that resemble both frog legs and wings developing beside its body. The walking fish, as it's commonly called, is a special fish species with the ability to walk using its unique fins. Although they have poor swimming ability, long-nosed batfish have developed pectoral muscles and bones, allowing them to move on land. This means they can walk on sand flexibly, a rather unusual characteristic not found in other fish species. Reportedly, long-nosed batfish can also jump and move on sand, creating a strange and interesting sight for observers. The discovery of this creature not only provides opportunities for scientists to learn about seabed biodiversity, but also raises questions about the causes and effects of genetic mutations in nature. This creature will certainly continue to be an interesting research topic in the scientific community and among ocean enthusiasts, won't it, friends? A strange sea monster washed ashore in Australia in February 2017. The online community witnessed a mysterious event when a strange, enigmatic creature was discovered washed ashore at Fremantle Beach in Western Australia. Causing excitement and curiosity, this creature was fish-shaped with slimy skin and quite large size. Its back and belly were both gray, but it was in a state of severe decomposition. Both sides of the creature's body were covered with slimy flesh masses showing body damage, and some flesh had flowed out, with speculation that this creature might be a giant stingray, a species from the stingray family with large size and long tail. The injuries on its body might be due to collisions with sharks or reefs, possibly cutting off its tail. However, until now no one has been able to provide an exact answer about the origin and precise name of this creature. The appearance of this sea monster has made the online community raise many questions and suspicions, presenting a challenge for scientists and researchers. But regardless, learning about this strange creature is not only an opportunity to explore more about ocean diversity but also an intriguing puzzle to solve nature's mysteries. A strange creature with superpowers that shocked the world. Sea sliders, Pycnogonida, are among the strangest and most superpowered creatures in the underwater animal world, causing global shock in the scientific community. Considered an ancient animal group, sea spiders have no close relationship with any other existing animal groups on Earth, making them a fascinating and interesting research subject. One of the special characteristics of sea spiders is their incredible regenerative ability. Some sea spider species can completely regenerate a severed body part, including important organs like intestines, reproductive organs, and even the anus. This ability not only helps them escape predators but also amazes scientists with their superpowers. The body of sea spiders is also unique and interesting. They have 8 large legs, a small body, and a proboscis to suck fluids from their prey. Remarkably, most of this species' important functions occur in their legs, even using legs to store eggs. Another notable point about sea spiders is how their circulatory system works. Instead of using a heart, sea spiders use their gut to push blood and oxygen throughout their body. The wave-like movement of food and oxygen-containing fluid in the gut extending from legs to the body center creates a special and efficient circulatory system. Studying sea spiders not only helps scientists understand more about the evolution of circulatory systems in many animals, but also provides new insights into ocean diversity and development. Mysterious human-like creature at the bottom of the sea. This mysterious creature is a fascinating and challenging phenomenon for researchers and ocean observers. As the thumbnail for our video, this creature has a strange appearance, closely resembling a human. From the face, hair, to the arms and body, all are quite similar to a person. However, what is special and mysterious is when looking down at the legs, we see they are completely different. Unlike the upper body, the lower part of this creature has an indistinct shape, making species identification very difficult. Many have questioned whether this is an alien creature. The mystery and uniqueness of this creature make many people curious and want to learn more about its origin in nature. And I too am very curious to know what species this creature belongs to. What about you? Can you guess what this creature is? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to give a like to Enigmatic Echoes or subscribe to the channel so you don't. For now, goodbye and see you again. Subscribe to the Gi and Migo channel so you don't miss exciting videos.